at how Heart-of-Oak built up to the goal. And it was interesting to see how the Phobians managed to get the advantage over their opponents. And so it was really a difficult one, and the Phobians had the advantage over their opponent. They built up 15 passes, and so we saw something like this. It started from the left side where Heart-of-Oak dominated the header. He brought the ball back to the midfield. He went back again. He moved here. Then they decided to lob the ball to Abdul Karim. He brought the ball in and a pass to Frank Eburaduku. And that was the final touch to the goal. And then we're looking at how Frank Eburaduku was going to convert that chance. And the big debate, how Heart-of-Oak managed to build up to that goal. 15 passes from goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, who gave that long balls. And so when Mohamed Kamara gave that long ball to Heart-of-Oak, then Heart-of-Oak left back Ransford Mensah took over the ball, decided to make a pass here. Then he came to the midfield, dominated. Then Frank Eburaduku was already in around the goal area of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But we asked the question: the two centre backs who were defending these people, the two centre backs of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, what were they doing? They had the opportunity, but Frank Eburaduku was very fast, very smart, and he has been the player for Heart-of-Oak. But then credit to Abdul Karim. He's managed to control the midfield for Heart-of-Oak. If you look at the Heart-of-Oak KOTOKO President's Cup, the biggest issue of Heart-of-Oak has been number 6. And so the player to control the game, for Hussein and Paku George to take charge of the game. And for the first time in 2 seasons, I don't know if the legends will agree with me, Heart-of-Oak are playing without any pressure at their defense. Anytime Heart is playing, you see that Kevin Osesibe, the man of the match, Benjamin Asari, the best player, Kevin Osesibe, man of the match. This time, it is open. The midfield of Heart-of-Oak controlling the game. But again, I'm sure the legends will agree that the two wing backs are key in their performance, and that is why Hearts have more men.
After this referee, your friend of Richard Collins Abua was see a attacking Chorina, Eko Adeakyia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. A attacking Chorina, Hakra Heart-of-Oak, Atuama Tuboni Titi Bonachemu, Phobia Neso, goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, Watuboni Titi Tidia Tremu, Amankwe Fia Pim, Bonekra, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Heart-of-Oak, Neso referee foul, Adiaba Phobia, referee Adi foul, Adiaba Phobia, never said I until the balls are rotten. Phobia de, Phobia popopo, Phobia kum fire kum. Say you can't say kum fire kuna. Winter, as it can say, and your home. Yes, Kumfa Yakun. Kumfa Yakun. Na chese no Diabusha for Koso. Accra Heart-of-Oak for Enyama Phobia. Hey, my goodness, Heart-of-Oak. What a miss. Winter, are you offside?
Lines are not delayed to go because they will also control ball. Memphis Bia one time or come on atom, but I don't know. And what we know, sometimes somebody in figment Bia, pick a flag and them, Emma, Priya and Cabo, Nampo, na Akotonet, Nakofasa my day, Abba. I mean, the referee, would delay Kakra or it's good.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko,
second goal.
Heart-of-Oak. Will be every area 80-year boss in him. Phobia Ashabako Asante Kotoko Timenti. And your Gaka top 4 2025. Bone crack Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omachobona City Teddy Boneba. Amankwa Fia Pim. Kwampoko to be uncle. Nice control from a Brantia, Abudu Karim, House of Folk, Phobia, Nesudabi, Samba Onel. Why you born a French Rama Kotoko? Kompoku, Kompoku. Hey, Kevin was ICB, watching it. Kevin was ICB, watching it. Born across Santi Kotoko. Beautiful play from Chaibuya Bubaka. Akwadi ball. Very good defender. Kotoko for right full back now.
We know experienced tackles. Oteki the next step no rock box no more. And be something be very serious among House of Folk and professional foul and a defender at the Emano. But Shaibu or a good player. Also medical case Franka Mankwa. Then time and I feel Aziz Ansa, Sobekai Aziz Ansa, Bono more airborne. The same thing and Shaibu airball, Okutabon and the near dinner or Sandy for that within the oil, the recovery no a great. So baby born and a very advantageous position. We Makai Stephen Odro. 10 times no Sakama Kumasa Sandona, Freaky Kibize ever tournament, a honum and a Stephen Odro, Yasimba Queen Abagidia, watching what Akono, a hanum. And Stephen Odro, sometimes, Otimi a show the supremacy when it comes into set pieces. Jordan Opoku Akatapori, and also etimi a boss Africa CIB etimi at the tournament. So, in their absence, minim do a free kick expert, free kick taker, Emma Kumasa Santikotoko. Because Ronaldo, Messi, Ronaldinho, Zidane, and all the key players, Wemu and nobody Jomudi. You understand?
Okay. Bono attacker House of Folk for Adeakyia Bosnechi. House of Folk Ashabaku Korokontimenti. Japo 50th minute. Sumadronum 50th minute. House of Folk 1 Korokozio. Katasi Frank. Abora Doku refresh and Abe. Ya Peja de Chem Koroko. Ye Omoko Yimona Frio. Bono Koshano Makasa for Yimona Frio. One more pray. A prayer, sir. One more call you born already a free hall. Asante Kotoko. Abia House of Folk Ashabako. A Graka top 4. Coach Karim Zito. Can't believe it. House of Folk we change. House of Folk we change. Abdul Karim Abia. The wonderful midfielder Abdul Karim is out. Wabre Abdul Karim appear. House of Folk change. I don't know if a tactical change is here. Because everything what coming to a hop Ama Rafa and Ponsa and Album. Boro Akodi goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Blasters goalkeeper 33 years of age. Goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Former Accra Great Olympics goalkeeper Kevin Osesibe. Wachabona City Adia Chiramunanso Zakaria Fuseni. A treko we are body the Tirabomuse Panai. How you bono Adia Fuho. Adiama Accra House of Folk. Adiama Kumasia Santiago Zakaria Fusenia Sapi Body Pim, Bonacra House of Folk, Nansu Koroko, Omo you Bono Adia Free Hall, Bonacra, Accra House of Folk, beautiful play from Phobia, Ali Muhammad, Phobia Nekodenso, Abrantia Patrick Cassia, Joy you born Adia Free, Abrantia Martin Kakarianimo, the attacking Torino Cordiatia. Popo Kwefano, Kumasia Santi Koroko, Amankwabe Fina Kwakoto, Amankwabe Fia to Monatin, Bonacra Hamza Dantano, Hamza Nya corner kick, Adiama Accra House of Folk, Hamza Enya corner kick, Hama Accra House of Folk, Accra House of Folk, second half no, almost starting the year, first half. Almost 13 years. Evinfo Kotoko Beji, but phobia a finishing the year. But when so no House of Folk are starting the year. House of Folk are starting the year. Bono a corner a corner House of Folk. A branch George Parku. A branch George Parku. And a Bible corner no. And the House of Folk. George Parku. Referee Reginald Collins Aboa. Referee Reginald Collins Aboa. Wasi Mbono. George Parku. Referee Collins Reginald Aboa. Referee Reginald Collins Aboa. The top no. Yellow down. Black horse black. The Peja body TT the trouble. House of Folk. Referee sorry. Open penalty and penalty. House of Focus up and your body, your phobia. What a save from goalkeeper Kamara Muhammad. Martin Kakari. What a fantastic save from goalkeeper. Look at Martin Kakari. Referee person a Peja Bonimano. Just time you the Chabono. Wow. What a save from goalkeeper. Beautiful save from goalkeeper. Gaka top 4 2025. You get to my in there. Never. Babiani Gold Stars and a champion. Ya Peja goalkeeper say you are Pebono. Babiani Gold Stars head to head. Omucha House of Folk. In House of Folk we near. House of Folk made 7 points. Gold Stars is 7 points. But head to head, you know. Omucha House of Folk penalty. It is a saying of Babiani Gold Stars and a champion. Sano Muka. Ya Peja Boni Titi, the Achram, Jimano Lanchi, Wapimbono, Pompoku, Bodekra, Kumasia Sandikoroko, Jimano Lanchi, Bonimo, Bodema Dauda Saka, Dauda, Asaka Kadidio, former Bofo Quatano, player, beautiful player, Patrick Asiatu. Was sorry for Bono, Patrick Asiatu, Patrick Neman Kwabe through a crossing. My goodness, Pompo Quatiato. Pompo Quatiato. Bona Bedia House of KOTOKO. Beautiful place, somebody there. Yeah. Watching Makubiadu. Welcome that's watching. House of goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Pompo on the 15, the one that's removed. KOTOKO defender, beautiful turn from Jimano Lanchi. The trouble on a city, Bonekra, ASANTE KOTOKO. Ababedi Shaibu Ajinaso, Shaibu Abubakar, Tibian Koche. Bonekra KOTOKO. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Belai Mr. Belai. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Belai Mr. Belai. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Belai Mr. Belai. Yeah, what the goalkeeper over the ball. Boom. Watch me. KOTOKO technical to the back was in La ilaha illallah Muhammad Belai Mr. Belai. Football. And Joseph Kitwa. Ya Peja Boni TT the trouble. ASANTE KOTOKO Dauda Saka. Wachina Boni Sudiama. Hilary Bonekra. Patrick Asiadu. Chabona say. Nice control from the phobia boys. KOTOKO Asabeti Boni Bia. As a folk starting one year, but on my bread, I say, what's a KOTOKO spirit in a ditch and soon. A question, blasters, Atia Pansa, which blasters sent in it. What if it's a team in the country is no more bono? Yenya, the Aquano, prayers and wait much blasters. And this time around, KOTOKO was a wonderful, so they are going all out. There's no way on my rescue, on my pressure to work with Sarah, women equalizer, but as to whether say equalizer ever ban terminal, and no, when the question
ebuso omo and has of there I think say this time around so we so complex and kakra na omo hwe KOTOKO for no so book game no na the be 10 7 8 minutes go you know no so ba game no so ba chere supremacy so in this case you know I mean me ade ba ko mani age won say two teams ni nyina obi age ball na omo mo no bim say karat football na brebe twen mo e ball no say omo twam omo the ball na to form na obi age the pia ball no tell game na ye fe
House of Folk 1, ASANTE KOTOKO 0. 58 minutes. Legon Sports Stadium, Gaka Top 4, 2025. BPR and then our Legon Sports Stadium. KOTOKO ye change. ASANTE KOTOKO ye change. Hama Brantier said Kojo Sakadauda. APA Abrante so Sakadauda Piama said Kojo said Kojo Seta Kojo Kandiho on Wabam Abadayi Dauda Saka former a swing of one more player in the free. The Pejabuano Albertabuano watering Albertabuano very good. But House of Folk fans watching the BB Border Crowphobia, one of the border bar, beautiful play from a House of Folk, Phobia the Tete, Martin Kakariaki, Neswe Tro, KOTOKO for to one Tintin, Edbonico, Albertamwa, Ubois. Kevin was anticipated who wanted the chance to see it. You know what they were Pepra Bibia Kama, Border KOTOKO, or Madraso, Samba Oda, Border Dibrabum, Border KOTOKO, or Madraso Bonaso, Philip Ache, Naso Bois. Hey, didn't Germany Ayate, walk off a House of Folk players with House of Folk players in the water. Not so for the House of Folk. Oh, okay. What the Muko Barracks or Bemakam and the physical. We pull it to no way, no way. Physical so no more and it easy cry. And it's so just training, and I'm a benefit, every House of Folk players move with you. Okay, so I'm getting it on my penning to, on my easy kind. Defenders, apart from a man quite bad fear because what you know, Macanano, structures no high. Yes, it's a name is over my foremost. Bonner Crab, Commander ASANTE KOTOKO, Habertabois, which now born so one among Qua, but Peja Bonnie the Achramu, House of Folk, beautiful play from a House of Folk. Beautiful play from House of Folk. Beautiful play from a House of Folk. Tomorrow, Bonekra, Abubakar, Wapeja Bono, Abubakar, one in kick, but the finishing yet. KOTOKO right full back on a Bannister or to make kick, but the finishing yet. Or drew 18-year boss next year. No one body say boom. Or body say boom, then the as on will be awesome. Bonekra Kevin or Sensipe. But J. Bonibo, Neswabedi House of Folk, noise control from Phobia, Rafael and Ponsa, with J. Bonibo Kama, Phobia and Echo, 910, Phobia, Kevin Odebi. Haman Kwape to be uncle. ASANTE KOTOKO for we are to say what Biasono on the point. House of Folk can tell me, I didn't say, what Mama KOTOKO on your point is down. And no, and Debia because Pascal way.
6 times we see no House of Folk intimate for KOTOKO 40
KOTOKO really 5 House of Folk about draw 1 sure KOTOKO I in Santa House of
Matna House of Folk and just watch it and nothing a casting bass and then a see
and then
but the point we are there let's say 29 minutes
there was 62 minutes in here
there were 28 minutes about fantastic no we came no I see na Kasim ebetina G81 TV ni Ago TV na on work onyabotere your point kura bono yes
that the equal KOTOKO betina you
be me see what
House of Folk are doing well
in 1999 while Manchester United they see against Bayern Munich
okay
2 minutes
1 KOTOKO 0 Bonabedi Samba Popona said the Treble Albertamoa near Mankwabe Fiotia, Barotibi Kobiumpa, Bonacra, Jimalona G, over the bar the Bocos, over the bar the Bocos, Hakra House of Folk, Goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Blasters #1 goalkeeper. Bono and Kwako 2 Bono. Okobo Bono. KOTOKO Shebi also focus about Greca top 4. Goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Ojina Bono so. Papa Bono si say boom by the Bono Chilemu. Etrekwa William Zakaria Fiseni Nanso. Goalkeeper Muhammad Kamara. Wababe Jina Bono so. Mediama Kumasi Asante KOTOKO. Kamara. Otobona City Bono Chilemu. Now wape Bono Krakra House of Folk. House of Folk. Referee for Adeakyia Jimano Lentry. Referee Reginald Collins Amwa. Watching for Adeakyia Jimano Entry. ASANTE KOTOKO. Enchebi Accra House of Folk Kashabako. Eye Ago TV. And I hear you Bono at the mouth. And a commentary no. And I'm Kasapa 102.5. In kind. Radio 360 Watakrade. And Shia FM Kumasi. And I go FM Koko. Accra House of Folk. Martin Kakari. Haman Kwape Fia Contropono. House of Folk. What a tackle from KOTOKO. Patrick Asiadu. Referee for Adeakyia. Patrick Asiadu. Kakari Sianyahe. You know, typical show on national team. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. Detail like this. Put your small guy. Was it you enough? Oh no, House of Folk could be kudo. Aye. The now I brought the flag here. Flag way, oh boy. Now just and that year was a compare so Baba her body be. Fraud light to know as you say, Jane. I don't want to name. As you say, Jane. I don't want to name. KOTOKO further from a Kabako. It is Sunday. Babiani Ghosters, I was 7. Accra House of Folk, I was 7. Nebo House of Folk, and Babiani Ghosters, and the champions. And Heart of Lions, I was 4. And a KOTOKO washi. ASANTE KOTOKO washi. Boni a troy called the Adeakyia House of Folk. Patrick Asiadu what to Bono. What a Kwakoma Batabwa. What control. Abatabwa, very good player. House of Folk for the morning call. Hey. Samba Onel. Muhammad Kamara. What Jeremy Diama Zakaria Fiseni. Zakaria Chobona say boom a body a chilamu said Kojo Pim what a Kwakoma Dabo said Kojo ASANTE KOTOKO said Kojo Jabodibo Pampoku Pampaye Pampoku dia Rabu Yachanu Rafisi Gafa Rafisi Gafa Pampoku. Good tackle from Osasipe. Good decision from referee. And the foul. Even Pampoku Momukraso.
Kevin Osasipe.
But Kevin Osasipe upon whom did he born? Kevin Osasipe, aka Abia one nation. Tomorrow to the ball natural. Born Cracker House of Folk. Goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Wabobo ni Buma di Achiramu. Bona Bedi Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. Kevin Osasipe. Obi Pem ne Kakra. And now what did it? I was Chiro. The boss Matiosia. And so enter 67 minutes. Of course, my Diosian Wake. House of Folk 1. ASANTE KOTOKO and Shebi. Accra House of Folk 1. Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO 0. Live commentary and the free Legon Sports Stadium. Adeakyia top 4. Adeakyia top 4. Bonekra and Ki Manuel, which now born so. Ediama Kumasi Asante Koroko. The Bobona City the Achramu, nice control. Ediama Flip Amo, which now born so. Philip with Yabra Abu Bakar, a Jamma Philip with him. Bonekra, Koroko, Yabobia, you are referring far. Ediama Kumasi Asante Koroko. Referring far. Hadiama the Porcupine Warriors. Kumasi Asante Koroko 0. Accra House of Folk 1. Kumasi Asante Koroko 0. Accra House of Folk 1. Facebook on Kasapa 102.5. Facebook on Kasapa 102.5. Body of Far. 18 year boss na chiko tromu onomno koroko entua peja dia chirebo koroko bora ko cha to for ya free atidibu wobi type of one and go benga na sare free ya tati ni sati anka eke ko she obi type of one to net aka koroko take no na so aso for fire there one would defenders na you born at your fuel Bonekra Kumasi Asante Koroko Imano Lanchi, Boja Bodibo, Bodakoma Zakaria, Abatabwa, Pia de Zakaria, Zakaria Chobona City to baby. Zakaria Fuseni. My pass across a Woboko kick. Bonke Papa Shanisa, but House of Folk defender, Jafran Ali Muhammad, Bono. And a Yipon and few of my house of folk. A cross of folk and your mutadid. House of folk, we have changed. George Paku Apia. House of folk, and 2 changes. A branch here who said Muhammad Apia. Anna George Paku and Su APA when 2 changes are. Accra House of Folk 4 a.m. House of Folk here Mankwabefi. Amankwabefi Pia 3 changes. Amankwabefi Pia Hussein Muhammad Pia Anna George Paku and Su APA. And no air changer. Accra House of Folk 4 at Tumiaye. House of Folk, I have 3 changes. Bonekra. Kumasi Asante Koroko House of Folk never done should there be. Accra House of Folk 1. Kumasi Asante Koroko 0. Akasima Dunkono. Akasima Dunkono body a throw. Adeakyia Accra House of Folk. Abdul Aziz Adam. Abdul Aziz Adam. Pedabono Benjamin Asaria Chino. Abdul Aziz Adam one babu. Ena Abrantia Pussy Asma and Swabamu Ebi Airport Accra House of Folk. Phobia over the bar. Over the bar, the ball goes. Over the bar, the ball goes. Accra House of Folk 1, Kumasi Asante Koroko 0. Winter, still, Koroko Apia.
Yes, you see, what you say, the tempo of the game will not ever from Bre Abem, Oma stretching a lot, Oma running a lot. And Oshi game now, so far, Ghana's, the 2 topmost clubs in Ghana is KOTOKO and Has. And for that matter, go ball on my show and ne kwan so ano no wo ma bobo yi pa obia kyerɛ sampa wo ye the team no mo adwuma for the upcoming season and KOTOKO representing Ghana e wo CAF Confederations Cup no on the something e mo so kakra yes adia on he mo timi nko manim e wo CAF Confederations Cup
corner a corner kicker Hakra Sofok everybody here Kumasi Asante gonna call a corner kicker Hakra Sofok everybody here Kumasi Asante gonna call 73 minutes 73 minutes 73 minutes 73 minutes Hakra Sofok 1 Kumasi Asante gonna see a peja body dia trouble Phobia Rapimo Phobia goal Hakra Sofok Hakra Sofok goal number 2 goal number 2 Phobia 2 Kumasi Asante gonna conceal Phobia 2 Kumasi Asante gonna conceal Mamma mia Masunte Kitramani Giovanni Trapattoni Rashford Mensah is the goal scorer Rashford Mensah is the goal scorer for Kayaso folk. KOTOKO ball no move. I don't see them winning. Me who's so winning ball no. I don't see Tony catch yourself Masud didn't Ramani. I have House of Folk defense and all. I am very good at this so what I say? Anti so defense in Masud didn't Ramani, aka Giovanni Trapattoni. Phobia never said I until the balls are rotten.
Kasum Kase SC Atene Tosun Internet Die.
What's it?
Piazza has a fool.
Border crowd. Hakra House Kumasi Asante gonna call. Zakaria Fuseni. But tell me that my Patrick Kasiatu. Ucha Benchua. KOTOKO coach no Neraho. KOTOKO bottom 4. When you 1 point to crowd. Border crowd. Philip Amuha House of Folk defenders who want to name. What who want to name? I see a very more Purukusu. Border crowd Phobia. House of Folk. House of Folk. Phobia the dead. Phobia Bobo. Phobia Ku for your Ku. Because I will see and the whole hemophobia. Not to say, as a channel, how about more drop on the soul? How about more piano by Manolanki? House of Folk almost 13 years, but I am not feeling on the KOTOKO, but House of Folk finishing the year. Some game where I House of Folk was starting about 10 minutes. No one possessing more, no one dominating, no one Jama KOTOKO. But I come here say 10 minutes. No more finishing the year. Sound that here. Pour a throw a fire call the Abia. Kumasi Asante KOTOKO. He fire call the Abia. Kumasi Asante KOTOKO. Asante KOTOKO zio Accra House of Folk 2. Asante KOTOKO zio Accra House of Folk 2. KOTOKO ye change Philip Amu Pierre Philip Amu ye Pierre Philip Amu Pierre Ama Abrantie Donzo ya peja bondi achiramu kwa Poku Debi Poku happy morning dear to baby. Kumasi Asante Goroko. Kotoko Fota form say brim. Not just a Kotoko Wamuta form say brim. Why and I believe I can say a tingling in my phone of Bua. Paul